How's everybody doing? Spike here in the Frugal Fixer shop, putting the final touches on the total turd here. I got the bandsaw mounted on it, I got the sander mounted on it, I got the drive shaft mounted in so we can run the sander. And I need to put this on, and it's got a little burr on it right there I need to take off, and I figured I might as well let this sander do that for me. So hey, let's go let the sander do it. Hey, you ready? Let's go. I'm just going to turn it up. It's 300 RPM, somewhere in that neighborhood. Now that ought to take this little burr off here real easy. And put my glasses on so I can see the little burr. All right. Okay. Y'all see this, right? I took that little burr off there in just a few seconds with the sander. So let's go right here on the other side, put it on. Let's cut something. Now, let's turn it off. We had it going backwards, so we need to change the direction back to regular direction when we move over here. We're going to loosen this up. We're going to push it back and get the drive shaft out. Bring the drive shaft over here. I got one of these over here on this side that I made. Now I 3D printed this, and I 3D printed that drive shaft I just showed you a second ago. Now, you put this drive hub on, make sure that you get it on the flat spot of the shaft where you're going to tighten the Allen wrench up. Right here, make sure it's on the flat spot on the shaft. Now, we're going to push this thing back together here. Give it a little adjustment there so they can push together. And we tighten this up. Now, got this here. This is going to go right in here. This is a brand new one. I just made it on the 3D printer. And I took that little burr off the back edge of it there. And it fits darn good and tight, don't you think? Look at that. I'm liking that. Got a little sycamore right here we can run through there just to play with, okay? What I'm going to do is I got it ready to go. I got it locked down, ready to turn on. I'm going to turn it on here, watch. And there's the blade running right there, see? Try about 924 there. Y'all ready to do a little test cutting? Let's see what it does. Going. Let's make another cut on this sycamore right quick. Pretty good little cut on the sycamore. Not bad. Straight enough that I can clean it up with another blade. That's a pretty rough blade right there. But it cut that little thin piece off. Spike's got his old total turd working. Now I got to get some dust collection ports on this and this so they can be hooked up and run so they won't make such a mess. And then I got to move on to the next projects here. So hey, y'all be good. Stay out of trouble, and hey, do me a favor. Remember this. God loves you and so do I, and we'll see you on the next one. Later, guys.